Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus second chapter real numbers. In that exercise 2.8 I am doing. 3 sums already completed. This is the fourth sum. Represent the following information in scientific notation. First one is the world population is nearly 7 followed by 9 zeros. So this one we are asked to write it in scientific notation. We know that scientific notation, we have to write it in the form a into 10 power n, where a will be between 1 less than or equal to a less than 10. So it will be single digit number only. A will be represented only in single digit numbers only. So this is the scientific notation. So we have to rewrite the given numbers in scientific notation. So first one is the world population is nearly this number we are asked to write it in scientific notation. So only single digit number only should be there. So we have to write it as 7.0 into, from this decimal point will be at the last for the whole numbers. So from that, if we want to move it this side, so it will be 9 places it has to be moved. So into 10 power 9. So 7.0 into 10 power 9. Then second sum is 1 light year. 1 light year means the distance. 1 light year means the distance. So after that numbers are there. So we will count the numbers from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 places it has to be moved. That is 10 power 15. 15 places it has to be moved. So the number given here is 9 points. So all the numbers, if it is 0 we can leave. If we have numbers, we have to write the numbers. 10 power 15 into. So 9.4605284. 4605284 into 10 power 15. Okay. Then third one is mass of an electron. Mass of an electron is. So decimal point is here. From here we have to move till this. After the 9 we have to keep the decimal point. That is 9.103822 into 10 power. From here to here we are moving. So it has to be negative power. The 10 to the power negative value we have to write. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then here 1 9. 31. 31 places it has to be moved. So into 10 power minus 31. So this is how you have to write the scientific notation for the given numbers. So this sum is very, very important. So this one, first sum. Fifth one is simplify first sum. 2.75. Here we have addition symbol in between. If we have multiplication symbol, we can see the base and add the powers. But here we are having addition symbol. So we will simplify both the numbers separately, add the numbers, then we will write the answer in scientific notation. So 2.75 into 1 followed by 7 zeros. Okay, so we will get the answer for this as 275 followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. But 2 decimal places are there. So 2 will be removed. 2 zeros will be removed. Then 1.23 into 10 power 8. 1.23 into 10 power 8. That is 1 followed by 8 zeros. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one will be, when we multiply this is 10 power 7, 2.75. So we got 8 numbers. Here 10 power 8 is there. So in 1.23, so when we simplify this, 2 decimal places will be removed. So 1 place extra we have to write in this. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 123. Okay, 2 decimal places if we remove. If we keep the decimal point, we will get the answer as we have to add these two. Okay, so we will rewrite this again. So 1, 0, 0, 0. We will write it properly. Okay, so we will get 1. Below this directly we will write. Okay, 6 zeros we have to get. 10 power 8 means 1.23 into 10 power 8 means here 2 decimal places are there. So 10 power 2 will be removed. So 6 zeros we have to write. Then we have to write this 123. So now we will add this. So if we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 5, 10, 5, 1. So this is the answer in normal form. This we have to write it in scientific notation. So 1.505 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 10 power 8. So this is the answer in scientific notation. Okay, this is the first sum. Second sum is 1.598 into 10 power 17. 1.598 into 10 power 17. First we will simplify this. So 1598 followed by 17 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 zeros. So this is 1.598 into 10 power 17. Here 3 decimal places are there. So we will keep the decimal point 1, 2, 3 after this. So this 3 numbers will be, 3 zeros will be removed. This is for the first one. Okay. Then next one is 4.58 into 10 power 15. 4.58 into 10 power 15. So this is equal to 458 followed by 15 zeros. So 5, 10, 15 zeros. So 2 decimal places are there. So if we keep the decimal point here, these 2 decimal numbers will be removed. The zeros will be removed. Okay, so now these 2 numbers has to be subtracted. Okay, so we will arrange it accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 zeros. Then 1598. Okay, this also we will write from the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 zeros. Okay, then 458. 4, 5, 8. Okay, so all the zeros we will write it as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then now we will subtract these two. These two has to be subtracted. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 1, 5, 5, 2, 2. Okay, this we have to write it in scientific notation. So 1.5522 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 into 10 power 17. This is the answer. Okay, you have to be very careful in counting the zeros and all. If you miss any one zero, your answer won't be correct. Next sum is 1.02 into 10 power 10 into multiplication is there. So 1.02 into 10 power 10 into 1.20 into 10 power minus 3. So in this, these two 1.02 we will combine together. Then 1.20 into, since we have the same base, we can add the powers. So 10 power 10 minus 3. Since negative sign is there, we will add it directly. So 1.02 into 1.20. So we have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 204. Then 102 into 1 is 102. So 12240. So 4 decimal places, so we will get 1.224. So 1.2240 into 10 power 7. This is the answer. Okay. So when we simplify this, we will get the answer like this. Then fourth sum is 8.41 into 10 power 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 power 5. Okay. So this one is division. So we will write in that form itself. 8.41 into 10 power 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 power 5. So we can rewrite this as, we will write these two terms in the division form separately. That is 8.41 divided by 4.3. Okay. Into 10 power 4 by 10 power 5. So for my convenience, this one also, before writing this one also I will multiply it by 10. For removing the decimal point, I am multiplying it by 10. Then this number I am writing it as it is, whatever is given in the question. 10 power 4 divided by 10 power 5. So this is equal to, so when I multiply this by 10, one decimal point, that decimal point in the denominator will be removed. In the numerator, I will get 84.1 divided by 43 into 10 power 4 by 10 power 5. So now I will divide this 43 and 84.1. Okay, 43 into 2 is 86 we are getting. So only one time 43. So 141 is the balance. 1 we are bringing down. Since it is a decimal number, I put decimal point in the quotient. So 411. So 7 times we will take. 8 times 8 4s are 30, 9 4s are 36. 9 times we will try. So 9 3s are 27, 2. 9 4s are 36 plus 2 is 38. So the balance is 7 plus 4 11, 2. 8 plus 2 10. 2 4 0. So 6 times it won't come, 5 times. Okay. 5 3s are. Then next one is 6 times it won't go, again 5 times only. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. So 5 2 25, again 250, again 5 times only. So 2 1 5, balance is 35, 350. Then 8 times, 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 4s are 32 plus 2 is 34. Balance is 60. Only one time it will go. So 81. So 1 time, sorry, here 1. So 43, balance is 70. So it will be continuing. So we will leave that. So 1 point, we will stop with that. 1.95581 we are getting when we are dividing this 84.1 by 43 into this 10 power 4. Since by 10 power 5 we can write it as, when we are bringing this to the numerator, it will be minus 5. So the answer is 1.95581 into 10 power minus 1. So when we simplify this again, this is 1 by 10. We will get the answer as 0.195581. Okay. So we can leave this as it is, or if this is 10 power minus 1, that is 1 by 10. When we are dividing this by 10, again we will get 0.195581. This is the answer. We can leave it as it is, or the next step also we can write like this. Okay. So be very careful in writing all these things step by step. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. So the whole chapter is over. Exercise with this exercise 2.8. The second chapter also I have completed. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. In the next class I will be doing a new chapter. Thank you.